Siya.
Bakit natin naman tayo pag-video?
Tatry. Hello guys, we are at Santa Lucia Mall. Dos Marias store. And here, ano pangalan ng store mo? Cellphone repair. And this is the owner. Hi, Sir Rochi. I am right. What can you say? That's the one that repaired our phone, but still same. He said that we need to change our battery, and it's worth 950. 950, right? Okay. So he will give it to me 900 pesos. I will think of it. As for my brother. And this is the shop, as you can see. We have a computer here. And this is the owner. Rochi what? Only Rochi. And this is Sir. Hello. Oh, this is a very beautiful place actually. And a lot of, you can see a lot of cell phones. If you need to buy, you need a cell phone here. And they have a Shomai there. Well, my lunch is Shomai by that place. Because I think 9 in the morning I am here. And this shop is open at 1 o'clock, I think. Today only. What time you open? Mostly morning? Sir Roche, what time you open your shop? Sometimes
11 a.m.
Sometimes 11 a.m. and sometimes early, right?
10 a.m.
Alright. So we are here. I think it's better. But what we do? Reboot. Well, this one we do reboot 2 times, right? 2 times, but it's still the same. I cannot even. It's the problem of our phone is when someone is calling me, battery. Right, battery. Rochi said it's battery. Because the problem with this phone is like, what is this? If I open voice message, it shut off. If I accept call, it shut off also. Sometimes I can accept at 3 minutes, 9 minutes, then shut off. And even if I open the video, it will die also. It will shut off and it will back, I think, 20 minutes sometimes. And the problem is I need to put it, even it's full charge, I need to put the, what is this? I need to connect on a charger so that I can use it. The problem is I can video right now. I can chat, but I cannot accept any call, voice message, or something like that. That's a problem. And the owner of the shop, the repair shop, cell phone repair, as you can see, this is the place that is Ruchi who repair. He said that we need to change the battery. And 950, and he will give it 900. I will think of it. Anyways, that's it. That's it for now. Bye. See you again tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we will come again here. Let's see if our schedule is not busy.